In this video, I will walk you through the Smooche color changing foundation to see how it compares to traditional fixed shade makeup products. When looking at a side-by-side comparison, the most immediate contrast is the convenience factor. Standard foundations require you to spend time shade matching or purchasing different bottles for summer and winter, but the Smooche formula is designed to adapt to your skin tone automatically. The trade-off here is usually coverage intensity versus natural finish. While traditional high-coverage foundations can sometimes feel heavy or look cakey under harsh light, the self-adjusting formula prioritizes a seamless blend that shifts as it touches your skin. A standout feature is its versatility, especially when paired with their specialized liquid blender brush for a more polished look. For those who struggle with finding the perfect undertone, this adaptive technology offers a significant win by removing the guesswork entirely. However, if you are looking for a matte, stage makeup level of opacity, you might find this leans more towards a natural daily glow. It is currently listed as a bestseller at $39, often bundled with their other hits like the Extreme Lip Plumper or Peel Off Lip Stain to complete a full routine. Whether you are aiming for a minimalist 5-minute face or a full glam look, this product adapts to your unique complexion. Thanks for watching my review of this viral beauty trend. Make sure to like this video if you found the comparison helpful, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest skincare and makeup releases. Drop a comment below to let me know if you would trust a color-changing formula for your daily routine.